What up, YouTube? Mountain is here, and I'm here to tell you the story about the winter madness that happened the last 24 hours. I just come down my house. We had no power for 12 days. We had 3 feet of snow in 36 hours. They're calling for tons more. It looks like 5 feet in 4 days minimum. And, whoa, shit. Snow's falling off the roof on my camera right now. The neighbor's roof. All the snow slid off it. And I'm coming out my stairs. And the snow is head height. I had worked for 2 hours last night to scoop all this snow. You can't tell I did anything. And now it's head height almost around the corner. I easily had, I got hours and hours of digging just to get out of my yard so that I can dig my truck out. There were icicles hanging from that roof, hanging clear to the snow. I didn't get a chance to film them, but they were 12 feet long icicles, about as round as basketballs, as long the whole roof. It's already 8 feet high right there, and this is all in 2 days. Boom. Well, guys, as you can see, I'm 6'3". Look how tall the snow is behind me. I got hours of digging. Hours of intense digging, and I had hamstring Charlie horse cramps both legs last night from working in the yard digging for hours. Anyway, winter blizzard Mount Hood 2012. It's a madness. I'll keep you updated and show you footage of me digging out different areas, digging out my car. This is insane. As you can see, now that the snow's a little wetter, I'm just boot packing it. So not so much shoveling gets done, more boot packing. See, that's the base, and it goes up, you know, so it's a good 5 feet of snow. But instead of scooping it all, I'm just going to be chiseling stairs out of the yard and making it so that I can get out of here. This is unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. That's the second story of the house next to me. I'll keep you posted on the progress, people. Digging big. Well, guys, I'm going to show you my progress. Anyway, I worked for about 30 minutes. I don't know if you can see, but I got a packed path. And then to get down in my house, you got to take a step about 2 feet down. So there's like a 2 to 3 feet ledge. So you can see it's 7-8 feet there. Sorry for the shaky camera. This is real home video style, baby. No tripods. We're doing it legit. Packed path so I can step up it. Ugh. And now I'm just trying to pack my way, because it's literally, if you walk in that, you sink to your waist. It's unbelievable. Work, 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 baby, up on the mountaintop, kids. Well, guys, an hour of intense labor. An hour of intense labor, and I got it so I can get out of my house and at least get to my neighbor's door. I'm about a third of the way done, just so that I can walk on a packed path. I was swimming in this shit this morning. Still got a couple hours of digging the car out. Biggest storm out of 5 years I've been here, at least in the top 2. Look at these snowbanks. There's my buddy's car. He dug it out last night for about 2 hours. And that's just from what came down last night. My car will probably be worse than that. Well, guys, there's my truck. Yeah, baby, I got some digging for my big ass. Believe me, it's a lot more than it looks like. I gotta dig. I gotta dig just to get in the door. I tell you what, living on the mountain, you get big and strong and your lungs get pumping hard, baby. Oh yeah. Well guys, I finally got into the door and was able to start the truck. Now I just gotta dig for hours. Damn. Oh yeah, Danbo on the side of my truck. Life on a mountain, kids, oh baby. I can finally see one tire. It's cram-packed underneath the carriage. You're talking hours and hours of digging. Oh baby. I'm getting somewhere. Holy shit. Victory! Victory! Hell yeah! I got that shit out of there. Look at that. My car was wedged up in this. Bottomed out on this monster. You can see where my rear tire was spinning. No matter how much snow this looks like, guys, it's a shitload more. Goodness gracious, I'm out of there. The power's back on. I got my car out. Yeah! 10 hours digging snow in last night and today. 10 hours digging snow. Yes, baby. Look how much snow is on the top of the truck, kids. Boom. Mountainous Adventure Films.